In our rapidly evolving world, technological literacy isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. As we venture deeper into the 21st century, it becomes increasingly evident that traditional education methods can't fully prepare students for the future. They need innovative, engaging, and hands-on experiences that cultivate creativity, enhance problem-solving skills, and ignite a passion for STEM-D: science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and design. This is where 3D Printing Academy UK comes into play, revolutionizing learning with its after-school clubs. 3D Printing Academy UK is an avant-garde institution, committed to arming students aged 4 to 18 with crucial skills in 3D printing technology. Offering more than just the standard curriculum, our after-school clubs provide an enriching experience that bridges the gap between theory and practice. But why should schools consider integrating our 3D printing clubs into their educational landscape? Firstly, hands-on learning. Our clubs offer students the opportunity to design, create, and print three-dimensional objects. This tactile approach enhances their problem-solving abilities and allows them to witness their ideas come to life, boosting self-confidence and fostering a sense of accomplishment. Secondly, we encourage creativity. In our clubs, students can transform their imagination into reality, be it through artistic sculptures, functional objects, or custom prototypes. We inspire students to think outside the box and unleash their creative potential. Thirdly, we offer a tailored curriculum. Recognizing the unique needs and goals of each school, 3D Printing Academy UK offers club programs that are customized to suit the age group and interests of your students. From introductory sessions for younger pupils to advanced courses for high schoolers, we cater to a wide range of skill levels. Moreover, we reinforce STEM-D education. As students delve into 3D printing technology, they naturally engage with mathematics, engineering, design principles, and scientific concepts. This interdisciplinary approach enhances their understanding of STEM-D subjects, preparing them for future academic and career opportunities. In addition, our clubs foster future-ready skills. As 3D printing skills become increasingly sought after in various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and architecture, students gain a competitive edge by acquiring skills that are highly relevant and transferable to their future careers. Lastly, we promote a collaborative environment. Our clubs encourage collaboration and teamwork, allowing students to work together on projects, share ideas, and learn from each other's experiences. This promotes communication skills and helps students develop the ability to work effectively in a group, a vital skill for success in any field. In conclusion, the 3D Printing Academy UK after-school clubs offer an educational experience that is dynamic, forward-thinking, and immensely beneficial. By partnering with us, you can equip your students with the skills they need to thrive in the digital age, fostering creativity, critical thinking, and a passion for STEM-D subjects. So take the first step towards shaping the future of education. Introduce 3D printing clubs to your school and join us in creating tomorrow's creators today.